नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुमच्या सर्वांचं पुन्हा एकदा खूप खूप स्वागत आहे आपल्या नवोदय मिशन या युट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये. पहा विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या आधीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण 6वी सायन्स जे काही वर्कबुक आहे त्याचे 2 टॉपिक पर्यंत आपण क्वेश्चन आन्सर सोडवले होते आणि आजच्या या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण तिसरा टॉपिक लेट्स सेपरेट द कंपोनंट्स या टॉपिकचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर पाहणार आहोत. ओके, चला तर मग वेळ न घालवता आपण क्वेश्चन आन्सरला सुरुवात करूया. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. When a mixture contains a liquid substance and solid substance that is insoluble in the liquid, the filtration method is used for separation. Okay. त्यानंतर second, separating the components of a mixture is known as separation. Okay. Question third. In the hand picking method, substances in a mixture are picked and separated based on their color and shapes. तर याचा आन्सर आहे hand picking. Okay. त्यानंतर question 4. By using a magnet, we can separate magnetic and non-magnetic substance. आन्सर आहे magnet. Okay. Question 2. State whether true or false. If false, state why. The filtration method is used to separate substances that are not dissolved in a liquid. आन्सर आहे true. Okay. त्यानंतर second question. Using magnetic properties, all metals can be separated from garbage. Answer आहे false. By using magnetic properties, only those metals that. Okay. त्यानंतर third question. The sedimentation method is used to separate salt from seawater. Answer आहे false. The evaporation method is used to separate salt from seawater. Okay. त्यानंतर question 4. The winnowing method is used to separate lightweight debris from grains. Answer आहे true. Okay. Question 5. The decantation method can be used to separate two liquids, one heavy and one light. Answer आहे false. The decantation method can be used to separate two immiscible liquid having different densities. Okay. Question 3. Find the odd one out. First, vivoing, filtration, magnet, sieving. Answer आहे magnet. Okay. Second, iron, plastic, nickel, cobalt. Answer आहे plastic. Okay. Question 4. Complete the correlation. First, grain, vivoing, tea. Answer आहे filtration. Okay. Second, iron, magnetic separation, coarse particles. Answer आहे sieving. Okay. Third, salt, evaporation, stones. Answer आहे hand picking. Okay. Question 5. Identify the following. First, method to separate butter from curd. Answer आहे churning. Okay. Second, tool used to separate sand and gravel. Answer आहे sieve. Third, substance used to clean muddy water. Answer आहे alum. Okay. Question 6. मॅच द कॉलम. कॉलम ए आन्सर कॉलम बी. या ठिकाणी सॉल्ट अँड वॉटर आन्सर बी इव्हॅपोरेशन. सेकंड राईस अँड स्टोन्स आन्सर डी हँड पिकिंग. क्वेश्चन थर्ड ब्रँड इन फ्लोर आन्सर सिविंग. ओके. क्वेश्चन फोर chaff in grain answer answer winnowing C. Okay. Question 7 define the following terms. First, evaporation, the process of converting a liquid into a gaseous state vapor due to heat is called evaporation. Okay. त्यानंतर second sedimentation, the process in which heavy insoluble solid particles settle at the bottom of a solution called sedimentation. Okay. Third, magnetic separation, the method of separating magnetic substance from non-magnetic substance is called magnetic separation. Okay. Question 8. Answer the following question in one sentence. First, what is a sieve used for? A sieve is used to separate solid substances having different particle size. Okay. Question second. Where is filter paper used? Answer. Filter paper is used in laboratories to separate insoluble solid substances from liquid by filtration. Okay. Question third. What are methods of separation? Answer. Different methods are used to separate components of a mixture by identifying the differences in their properties. For example, shapes, weights called method of separation. Okay. Question 9. Situation based questions. First, while working in the kitchen, mother accidentally spilled peanuts into wet floor. Mother has little time and she wants to separate the peanuts from the floor immediately. Should mother sit and pick out the peanuts by hand or use some other quick method? Instead of picking out of peanuts by hand, mother should use the sieving method. If this mixture is passed through a floor sieve, the fine flour will fall down and large peanuts remaining. Okay. Question second. If you accidentally pour oil into a transparent water bottle at home, will water and oil mix with each other? How will their mixture appear white? Answer. If oil is poured into a bottle containing water and oil not mix completely with each others. Okay. After some time, two separate layers will be visible in the bottle. The water layer will be at the bottom and oil layer will be on the top. Okay. Question 10. Picture based question. Question: which separation method is used in the picture? How are the components are mixed separated in this method? Okay. Answer: in picture, winnowing method of separation is used in the winnowing methods. To the speed of the wind, lighter substance in the mixture are carried away by wind. Okay? Okay? Question 11. Answer the following questions. First, what is a mixture? Which methods are used to separate the components of a mixture? Answer: if two or more substances are mixed together, it is called a mixture. Method like handpicking, winnowing, sieving, filtration, sedimentation, decantation, evaporation, churning are used. Okay? Question second. While using a tea stainer, what is the state of the substance that remains on the stainer? What is the state of substance that fall through? Answer: using a tea stainer, the substances remain on the stainer is in a solid state. Okay? The substances falling down through the strainer is in a liquid state. Question 3. For which type of mixture is filtration method useful and how? Answer: the filtration method is useful for mixtures containing insoluble solid in a liquid. In this method, the mixture is passed through a strainer or filter paper. Okay? Question 4. How will you separate sawdust mix in a container of water? Answer: sawdust does not dissolve in water. It can be separated using the filtration method. The mixture is passed through a cotton cloth or strainer into another container. The sawdust gets trapped in the cloth or strainer because its particles are larger in size, while the clean water collect below in container. त्यानंतर question 5. While working, a carpenter finds that iron nails have mixed with sawdust. Which different method can carpenter use to separate them? Which of those methods is the easiest? A carpenter can separate the iron nails mixed with sawdust by using the handpicking or magnetic separation method. The magnetic separation method is more convenient because the nails are attracted downwards the magnet and can be separated easily in less time. Okay? या ठिकाणी तुम्ही आन्सर लिहू शकता. ओके. Question 6. To separate roasted peanuts or gram from their peels, we take them in our palm, rub them, and blow on them. How do farmers use the similar method to separate grains from a mixture of dried leaves, chaff, and grains? Answer: farmer threw the mixture of dried leaves, chaff, and grain from a height At that time, due to the wind, the light chaff and dried leaves are carried away, while the heavier grains fall down. Okay? Open-ended question. Question first. What would happen if the evaporation of seawater did not take place? Answer. Evaporation of seawater is an important part of the water cycle. If does not occur, it will have serious effects on life on earth. First, rain will not occur. Second, the water cycle will not stop. Third, the water level in river will decrease. Okay? Question second. Methods of separation are very useful in our daily life. Explain. Answer. Methods of separation are very useful in our daily life. They help us separate unwanted or harmful substances from useful ones. For example, we separate stones from rice, tea leaves from tea, and butter from curd. Okay? Question third. During an epidemic, why should we wear a mask and cover our nose and mouth while traveling in crowded vehicles or visiting hospitals? Answer. During an epidemic, we should wear a mask and cover our nose and mouth because it helps prevent the spread and protects us from infection, disease, especially in crowded places and hospitals. ओके? पहा विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, अशा रीतीने आपण 6वी सायन्सचं जे काही वर्कबुक आहे त्या वर्कबुक मधील तिसरा जो टॉपिक आहे लेट्स सेपरेट कंपोनंट्स या टॉपिकचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर पाहिले आहेत. आणि पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण 4th क्वेश्चनचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर पाहणार आहोत. ओके? व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास लाईक करा. भेटूया पुढील व्हिडिओमध्ये. तोपर्यंत सर्वांना धन्यवाद.